Welcome to the leg of crypto.
Oh, yeah.
Hopefully you have a
Perfect.
time here. So let's go ahead and jump right in as we talk about the first steps to crypto. Now, before you invest in crypto, it's essential that you understand how it works. Now, in this video, we're going to talk about the basics of crypto trading, how you fund your crypto account, and how you keep your crypto safe. You'll also learn about the risk involved in investing in crypto. Then you'll be able to make an informed decision about your cryptocurrency investments. So, trading cryptocurrencies. Now, to start trading cryptocurrencies, you will need to create an account. This process will require you to provide a valid email address and strong password. You'll also need to verify your email, which is important, and this is going to contain a unique code that you might have to enter. Once verified to your account, you can deposit your initial capital. Now, some platforms will allow you to deposit different types of methods some platforms will allow you to use several different types of methods as far as your deposits go with cryptocurrency. Now let's go ahead and look for other form trading. Things that you should avoid is being impulsive. Now there's high risk making decisions based on emotion. This is important for you to understand that this is something that happens and be aware of it. Now, emotional, high-risk, volatile type behaviors can lead you subject to different types of stressors and pain and cause you problems along the way. So you want to make sure that you're doing your best to keep an eye out for that and that you are really trying to make the best decisions, because crypto can be a volatile market. We're talking about the decentralized banking system. So keep that in mind. Okay, it's important, really important for you to avoid feeling pressured. Avoid feeling that you have to do something, not having a good feeling about something. Remember that this is for you, so you want to make sure that you are doing the best of your ability. You can do it. You really can. And you really can do it. As I said in the voiceover, this is important for you. So you don't want to be stupid, but you want to do your best, and you want to make sure that you're really trying. Well, okay. Let's go ahead and move on. Now, when it comes to cryptocurrency, you got to really take the time to figure out what it is and what it can do for you. Crypto can be sold in a lot of ways. It can be bought in a lot of ways. You can actually use crypto to buy a lot of things. Crypto is a really good way to get into the currency market and to do different types of exchanges beyond the dollar bill. And we got to fix the lens. Give me 1 second. And that was quite a rookie mistake there. Sorry, guys. Let's go ahead and continue talking about how crypto is important and what we need to do and what we need to understand what we're doing with crypto. Okay. So you want to make sure you're doing things to make informed decisions. Now, trading cryptocurrencies. To start trading cryptocurrencies, you need to create an account. This process will require you to provide different types of email, strong passwords. And I think we covered this a little bit, so we're going to go ahead and moved on. I know there's a little bit more information here that's different, but let's go ahead and jump back into some of the other things that you can do with cryptocurrency. One thing that I've been looking into is getting a cryptocurrency, a Bitcoin ATM. And this is something that I've been trying to get my hands on, and eventually I will do it. It looks like in the coming times, it will be more profitable. Right now, we're still kind of waiting on it. The pricing isn't exactly where I want to be, especially with the stock not being exactly where I think it could be. But in due time, I will have more updates for you on how that process is going, me and my Bitcoin ATM. Now, you should focus on learning how to identify patterns in the market and where you stand in relation to the larger picture. You should also understand the zero-sum natural cryptocurrency trading rules. This will help you minimize risk and maximize your potential gain. The price of cryptocurrency is affected by factors such as the number of buyers and sellers. Now, if there are more buyers and certain types of cryptocurrency is going to take the price up. On the other hand, if more sellers are looking to sell a particular cryptocurrency, it will decrease. So buyers and sellers are a big part of the game. And once you have an account set up and connected to a bank account, you can begin trading cryptocurrency. This is much different from real estate. Real estate is very complex in a lot of ways. Now, crypto is a lot like stocks. You just press a button and things can happen. So keep in mind, there's a lot of simplicities to cryptocurrency that you might be able to appreciate. Perfect. But that said, it's not going to be the easiest thing in the world. You're always going to be sitting tight in a certain aspect because it is a volatile market. So keep in mind, crypto is going to go up, it's going to go down, and you want to be mentally and physically prepared for those transitions. Okay. You can make wire transfers with debit cards. The cheapest way to fund your account is to use an ACH deposit, which is usually free and easy to do. You can start trading and allocate your capital to major cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, or smaller altcoins. Now, most traders and investors will allocate their initial capital towards one or two different types of cryptocurrencies. Once you know the basics of the trading process, you can use technical indicators and other indicators to make your trading easier. Now, another crucial step with cryptocurrency trading is picking up on a trading strategy. Now, experts and expert traders will talk about different types of combinations of strategies and factors for the crypto they're investing in. Now, often these traders will use a combination of technical analysis and fundamental analysis to decide which coin to invest in. Now, funding a cryptocurrency account is one of the few steps in the trading process, and it allows you to make trades without having real risk of real money. Moreover, it gives you access to useful data and a chance to adjust your strategy. Now, according to market conditions, now while volatile markets can be beneficial for bulls, it can create opportunities for bears. However, there are a few security considerations that must be taken into consideration. First, make sure the credit union you're dealing with is ready to fight fraudulence. Now, getting fraudulence on your account is not fun. It's something that recently happened to me. You just have to deal with it. You have to attack it head on and see if you can get someone in the bank with actual power or sauce to help you through the process. If you're dealing with someone that doesn't know what they're doing or too worried or scared or unsure, try to get a manager involved. This is what their job is, to deal with the more high stakes situation, and fraud's no different. Okay, let's go ahead and continue. Intelligent layers of security are an important part to minimize the threats when it comes to the cryptocurrency model experience. Now, storing your crypto is one of the main concerns that people have when they get a cryptocurrency. How do they store it? Now, while hardware wallets are generally considered to be the safest method of storage, this is not always the best choice. Thankfully, there are many options available. So let's go ahead and talk about a couple of these options. First, consider using a hard drive. Not only is this a physical storage for your crypto, it can provide a protection against hackers and malware. There have been several instances where hacked cryptocurrency sites and a hard drive can protect you from these threats. Moreover, many and most hard drives allow you to store multiple cryptocurrencies. This way you could use one device to store all your digital assets. Now, the way you can avoid losing your funds if you're online is using one of these devices. Another way to store your crypto is to use a hardware wallet. Now, this is a ledger such as Nano S. It's small enough to be kept safe and compatible with several different types of cryptocurrencies. Make sure you write down a recovery phrase and a PIN number for your hardware wallet. And the benefit of this is to have a high variety of different operating systems in place. So hopefully that has been helpful information for you on cryptocurrency, what it can do for you, how it can be helpful for you. You can do it. You really can. And thank you for being here. We will be back with more information on the crypto leg. At this point, I want to remind you, subscribe to the channel. And let's go ahead and move into the other parts.